Scientific terms quiz. Directions. Match each definition with the vocabulary word in the word bank. Place the letter of the word in the blank beside the correct definition. Do not forget to answer the questions on the back by choosing the correct answer. Word bank. A. Variable. B. Reliability, reliable. C. Support. Number 1. To back up a theory, idea, hypothesis, or experiment. Number 2. Able to be depended on. Number 3. Part of an experiment, only one variable changes in an experiment. Word bank. D. Testable. E. Trial. F. Valid. Number 4. Able to be observed and measured. Number 5. Accurate, true, or credible. Number 6. A single completed investigation. Read the question and choose the best answer. Number 7. Sammy uses the triple beam balance to measure a cube. What is the mass? A. 633.4 grams. B. 363.5 grams. C. 634.5 grams. D. 364.3 grams. Number 10. Which tool can be used to compare the mass of a large rock to the mass of 2 wooden blocks? A. A triple beam balance. B. Thermometer. C. Graduated cylinder. D. Beaker. Number 11. 2 students record the mass of 4 objects as shown below. Student 1, 15, 25, 45, 60. Student 2, object, mass, plastic block, 15 grams, wood block, 25 grams, glass block, 45 grams, steel block, 60 grams. A. Student 1, because the data shows the unit of measurement. B. Student 1, because the measurements are listed from least to greatest. C. Student 2, because the information is organized and measurements are labeled. D. Student 2, because the objects are listed in alphabetical order. Number 12. There are things in an experiment called variables that change. A valid scientific experiment will A. Have at least 2 test variables. B. Have more than 2 variables. C. Not have any variables. D. Have a single variable. Number 13. What unit of measurement is used when recording the mass of a rock? A. Milliliter. B. Degrees Celsius. C. Gram. D. Millimeter. Use the graph to answer questions 14 and 15. Time required for sugar. Time, seconds. Trial. Number 14. In trial 1, how long did it take the sugar to dissolve? Number 15. Which trial most likely has an unreliable measurement?